One of these two expressions is a perfect square. And what we want to do is to find out by factorization which one is. So I'm going to pick the first equation, the first expression, that is x squared plus 6x plus 9, and I want to factorize this expression. The first thing I'm going to do is to look for two numbers whose sum is 6 and whose product is 9. And these two numbers are 3 and 3. So we are going to have to break down the middle term of the expression into these two numbers. So what we're going to have is x squared, and the middle term 6x, we will break it down into 3x plus 3x, then plus 9. And so now we can go ahead and factorize the two halves of the same expression. If you look at the first half, x is a common factor, so we're going to have to factor out x. We'll have x into x plus 3, and then on the other side 3 is a common factor, so we're going to have 3 into x plus 3. Okay, so what we are going to end up with is x plus 3, x plus 3 into, you notice that these two are the same, so we're just going to pick one of them, x plus 3. And x plus 3 into x plus 3 is x plus 3 squared. Now we have factorized the first expression, x squared plus 6x plus 9, and we are ending up with x plus 3 squared. So we're going to have to pick the second equation and do the same. So we'll have x squared plus 6x plus 8. And again, we are going to look for two numbers whose sum is 6, the middle term, and whose product is 8. And these two numbers are 4 and 2. So we want to rewrite the expression by breaking down the middle, the coefficient of the middle term into 4 and 2. So that's going to give us x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. So again, we are going to have to factorize the two expressions separately. So considering the first part or first half of the expression, you can see that x is common, so we can have x being factored out. We'll have x into x plus 2, and in the second part we have 4 being common, so we'll have 4 into x plus 2. Again, you notice again that we have x plus 2, which is common. So to write down the factors, we are going to take x and add 4. We'll have x plus 4 into x plus 2, which is one of these two. So we have factored x squared plus 6x plus 9, and we have x plus 3 squared as the factors, or x plus 3 into x plus 3. We've also factorized x squared plus 6x plus 8, and we've ended up with x plus 4 into x plus 2. Now you realize that x plus 6x plus 9 has two equal factors. So this has two equal factors, and an expression that can be factorized leading to two equal factors is called a perfect square. So we can say that x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square. On the other hand, x squared plus 6x plus 8, when factorized, leads us to x plus 4 and x plus 2, which are not identical, and therefore the expression x squared plus 6x plus 8 is not a perfect square.